Rash was on the phone with his son, who was across the parking lot at a gym. They're both doing okay.
Holy cow.
Oh my god, it's like right in front of us. Oh my.
This is the scariest thing I've ever been in. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Welcome to the Natural and World Disaster Information Channel. Disasters 79 today, April 30th, 2023.
I saw a car flip over in front of me.
Oh my god.
The National Weather Service Miami confirmed a tornado that touched down in Palm Beach Gardens on Saturday. The NWS is currently in the process of surveying the damage from the tornado. The tornado caused damage at the point at Palm Beach Gardens apartments next to US 1 and PGA Boulevard. Cars were also damaged in that parking lot and nearby trees were destroyed. I watched it for about 20 seconds to see which way it was going to move, and then obviously, when I saw it kind of closing in toward us, I immediately shut the slider, went back in, huddled in the bathroom. The building started to "20 to 25 seconds," said Andrew Laybourne, who lives in the Point at Palm Beach Gardens apartments. Laybourne says he's lucky his apartment only had a little damage. But other people's apartments had more significant damage, and several cars were thrown around during the tornado. "I got chill bumps on my arm," said Jason Rash, who lives in the Point at Palm Beach Gardens apartments. "I'm lucky to be alive. I had my back against the concrete wall. I'm in an open-air parking deck and I'm going to get blown away. If I stand here, I'm going to get slammed."